Well, happy Saturday everybody, this is John, back to the motorhome. I went to open this door and it wouldn't open. I mean, the key wouldn't unlock the door, and I'd used it the day before, and it turned out after I'd looked inside the lock and all the components there, I discovered that there was a piece broken, and it was this. Not just this piece here slides onto that area there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So that slides and pushes a mechanism up and down, and this was broken. I'm thinking, I'm surprised it lasted so long. It looks like a piece of plastic. So what I did to strengthen it was to glue it together with some regular glue, and then took some string, tied it around, and then put fiberglass resin with hardener around the string. So it's going to make it hopefully a much stronger piece here. So let's try it out. I'll put it in, see if it works. And then once that's slid over the center part there, there's a pin here, and that pushes through the lock mechanism and holds this plastic piece on. Fingers crossed that'll work. So now that's on, just got to go ahead and put the cover back and test it out. Now then, before I screw everything down, I've got it all assembled, I'm going to make sure that the lock actually works, so I don't have to keep taking things in and out. So, not locked. I'll turn this. Okay, locked. Good. Not locked. Locked. Okay, worked well. I'm happy with that. Finally, something that works. Have a good Saturday everybody, see you later, bye bye. And yeah, I hope this helps if somebody has one of these Winnebago LeSharo motorhomes. Well, that's what the locking mechanism looks like. It's a great design. What makes it a great design is the fact that you can actually get to it